Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a problem that can catch you off guard while working with REST code. The problem arises when using RefCell in combination with mutable borrows, leading to a BorrowError that might leave you scratching your head. Let's explore this puzzling situation in more detail. Now, let's delve into the solution for the problem we encountered earlier. By using a temporary variable to hold the RefMut obtained from the BorrowMut call, we can ensure that the borrow count is updated correctly. This approach allows us to safely use the borrowed value within a specific scope without running into borrow checker issues. A key example of this is illustrated in the code snippet where we increment a counter value in a RefCell using the if-let statement. This method maintains the borrow checker's integrity and prevents potential runtime errors. Building on the previous solution, another scenario we encounter is attempting to remove the temporary variable while still operating within the scope. In this case, due to the drop scope behavior prior to the 2024 edition, the BorrowError persists. Without the broader drop scope introduced in the 2024 edition, the temporary variable's lifetime interfered with the borrow checker's restrictions, resulting in a runtime panic. It's interesting to see how language updates can impact such intricate borrow mechanics within REST. In summary, we've explored the nuances of utilizing RefCell in mutable borrows in REST, shedding light on how temporary scopes and drop scopes play a crucial role in managing borrow lifetimes effectively. Remember, REST's borrow checker enforces strict rules to ensure memory safety and prevent data races, leading to these peculiar behaviors when dealing with references and mutability. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below.